Children, are you ready? Let's begin. Read along with me. Kit can fill the bin. Let's read again, children. Kit can fill the bin. Now, children, it's your turn. Read or follow this red pointer. Ready? Good job! Nim is in the pit. Let's read again. Nim is in the pit. Now it's your turn. Follow this red pointer. That's great. Bib is in the fig. Let's read again. Bib is in the fig. Now it's your turn. That's great. Fill the tin with pins. Fill the tin with pins. Your turn. Good job. I can sit in the crib. I can sit in the crib. Now it's your turn. Good job. I see the mill in the hill. Let's read again. I see the mill in the hill. Now it's your turn. Good job. Bill can kick the pin. Bill can kick the pin. Your turn. Great job. The pig sits on the big mat. Let's read again. The pig sits on the big mat. It's your turn. Good job!